narrow AI. Narrow AI is artificial intelligence built to do one specific task very well. It powers things like voice assistants, face recognition, and YouTube recommendations. These systems are trained on large datasets but cannot go beyond their assigned job. A translation AI, for example, can convert languages but cannot think or learn unrelated skills. Most AI used today falls into this category because it is efficient and reliable. General AI. General AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can think and learn like a human across different tasks. Unlike narrow AI, it would not be limited to one function and could switch between skills such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving. This form of AI does not exist yet and is still being researched. If developed, it could handle almost any intellectual task a human can do, making it far more flexible than current systems. Super AI. Super AI refers to a level of intelligence that would go beyond human thinking in every way. It could solve problems faster, learn instantly, and improve itself without human help. This idea is mostly theoretical and appears in science fiction. While it could bring major advancements, it also raises serious questions about safety and control. It represents the highest imagined level of artificial intelligence. Reactive machines. Reactive machines are the simplest form of AI that only respond to current inputs. They do not store memories or learn from past experiences. They always give the same output for the same situation. Early chess computers are a good example, where the system evaluates the board and makes a move without remembering previous games. These systems are stable but very limited. Limited memory AI. Limited memory AI can use past data for a short time to improve decisions. Most modern AI systems like self-driving cars use this type. They observe recent information such as speed, distance, or patterns to make smarter choices. However, they do not store long-term memories like humans. This makes them more advanced than reactive machines but still not fully intelligent. Theory of mind AI. Theory of mind AI is a future concept where machines could understand human emotions and intentions. It would be able to interpret why people behave a certain way, not just what they do. This would make interactions more natural and human-like. It is still under research and has not been fully achieved yet, but it is seen as an important step toward advanced AI. SelfAware AI. Self-aware. AI is a theoretical type of intelligence that would understand its own existence. It would be aware of itself and possibly have its own thoughts or feelings. This level of AI does not exist today and is mostly discussed in science fiction and philosophy. If ever created, it would represent the most advanced and complex form of artificial intelligence.